Wow, so much people around, like so much Asian, so much nationality people around. Yes, like you can see us, you can see the market around. Like it's so good. Happening night. It's only 7 past 58 in Australia, so you see so much people around. It's so good. I like it. Like the vibe. Choose from here everything. It's so beautiful. So good condition. Everything is like beautiful corner, food court. It's so good. So we are in a Thai restaurant. So we got a fried rice, steamed rice, teriyaki chicken, okay noodles, and over here like vermicelli noodles, sweet soy beef, and the garlic pepper tofu and chicken, basil chicken, chili calamari, and cashew chicken, and sweet and sour pork, and honey soy chicken, and sweet potato noodles, and mixed vegetables, omelette, sweet and sour chicken, and fried fish, fried prawn, green fish curry tofu, and red curry chicken, sweet chili mussels, and spring rolls, fried calamari, fried chicken, fried prawn, and chicken satay skewers. So all you can eat, you just need to be charged only $15. Small is 50. So we had a meal. So now we are about to leave from the Cairns food court. That's the view. So much people around. It's only what is time right now? It's 8:46 in here. So it's so beautiful. People, everyone is around. You can see the view. So much people, so much delicious people. Chinese food, more Thai food. Night. So good.